Hello friends, welcome to our video once again. This is how I trade breakout strategies profitably. It is easy to trade, it is simple, and anybody can do it. Alright, so in this ultimate breakout strategies video, you're going to learn why breakout strategy is so important in your trading and the tool needed for you to trade breakout strategies profitably, and also the best risk management to adopt as you trade breakout strategies. And if you watch to the end, I'm going to also show you how to backtest this using real market data. All right, so if this sounds interesting, kindly smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell as we dive into this concept of breakout strategies. Work irrespective of the market, irrespective of the time frame, of the type of trader you are. Day trader, you are a swing trader, it works the same. So, but the most important thing here is for you to choose the kind of trader you are. So why breakout strategy? You know, for every market, there are two participants, the buyers and the sellers. So, and irrespective of the time you are coming to the market, we have the uptrend, and we also have the downtrend, and we have the sideways. All right, irrespective of the market you are trading, we have these three moves in every market. But there are two participants in every market, the buyers and the sellers. For the uptrend to occur, the buyers will be dominating the market. For the downtrend to occur, the sellers will be dominating the market. And for the sideways, the consolidation to occur, most times the buyers and the sellers will be struggling who will take over the market. And that is why you need to pay attention most times on what happens as the market moves sideways. Because even in the uptrend, there are negotiation time where the market is, is consolidating, where the market is consolidating, when the market is consolidating, even in downtrend. So ability for you to understand what happens here, and that is when we take advantage of the breakout and be able to catch this move, and also take advantage of the breakout here, and for us to catch this move and take advantage of the breakout here for us to catch this move and stuff like that. So you see how important it is that for a move to occur, there will be a breakout from the negotiation time. And that is why we pay attention to ultimate breakout. So what tools do we need for us to trade breakout profitably? So we pay attention to market structures. Every market starts with an impulse and it corrects himself and it makes another impulse. So this tells us the whole story that if we are ready to catch the next move, we must understand the next pullback, right? And that is why you draw your trend at this point. Now, when the market completes this move, how do we know that it has completed this move? The first thing you need to observe is that this trend must be respected. The second one is the counter trend will be broken and it will be closed above here. So once a counter trend is broken with a strong candle, that's an indication that this market definitely will. So the first tools we use is trend line. So for us to catch the next impulse of the market as the market moves higher. Then the second tools we also use for us to trade breakout strategy is the momentum. So we use momentum to gauge the impulses. All right. So as the market is making higher highs, we are checking the momentum here. So if the MACD is making a lower high, lower high instead of higher high, that tells us that this momentum is low and that means the market might at this point start reversing. So if it gives us a 3 wave or 5 waves, we draw another trend. So at the break of that trend, we'll be able to take a next sell downward because the momentum has indicated that the market will be reversing, and that's why we position ourselves. So this concept is so simple. So the first one is the market structure and the second one is the momentum, and that's how we take advantage of this. So the tools we are using to gauge the momentum is MACD. So we are using MACD 4C because it has histogram. So the histogram bars, mountains kind of help us to see a clear trend whereby the momentum the divergence have occurred and stuff like that. All right, so having established this, it's important for us to take a look on the practical market and see the first impulse. All right, it depends on when you are coming into the market. The first impulse tells you the whole story, and that first impulse is the first impulse that goes in the opposite direction. So at this point here, we have an impulse. We're expecting a correction to play out. So at the break of this, we're taking a buy here and we are putting a stop at this point. At the beginning of this move, you put your stop here. So the risk management, once you take a buy, you put a stop here and you allow your buy to run at least to this point for T1, take profits 1. Also at this point, we have a higher high and a lower high. And at the break of this point, we have an indication to enter for a short, and also the market gives us that first impulse. And what are we expecting for us to take a sell? We're expecting a 3-wave move. Instead, the market makes a sharp impulse up, sharp down, so giving us a 3-wave move here. So at the break of this point, we'll have an indication to sell, which actually what's happened. We have an impulse, we have a 3-wave move corrective structure, and at the break of this, we have a sell. I think we took this trade on Saturday, and that was a profitable one. All right, so this is how we do it, guys, and you can backtest this on your own to see how profitable. So looking at the Bitcoin currently at this point, what can you see? We have seen that here now we are having a divergence, a slight divergence at this point. Okay, we're having a slight divergence at this point, so we want it to be confirmed, and we are waiting for it to confirm at this point. So what we're expecting is a sharp drop to complete this move, at which before we start moving high. But if you are selling, you need to be very careful, especially this week, because we're expecting the halving to take place. So this is how we trade breakout strategies, guys, and I believe you'll be able to learn the concept and the idea behind it. So backtest it on your own. Let me see. You can drop the comment below, tell us your win rate at the end of it, or if you have more questions or area you want us to delve more, kindly drop it on the comment below. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, click on the notification bell for more content like this. Thank you.